Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Girl Guitar. We have fun here with a song from Tems. It's called Me JeJe. Alright, so we have different opportunities here. I love that when you have the melody, you can combine that with a strumming and yeah, do some kind of mix there and play and play and play. So that's what we're gonna do with Tems, Me JeJe. Alright, we're gonna do that with capo set here on the 6th fret. And with that, we have the 4 chords, E minor, F, G, and A minor. Let's first take a look at that basics, the chords. So E minor first, that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. We have F next, it's a bar chord. So you play the bar here on the 1st fret, the bar finger, and then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. Speaking of G, that's the next chord and it goes 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. And the final chord is A minor. Open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Alright, so let's first take a look at this melody, and we're gonna do that chord by chord. The chord progression through the entire song will be in the order we learned the chords, so E minor, F, G, and A minor, that's how it goes. So we're gonna do this for E minor. So you're gonna play the open E string and the bass together with open B, and then 1st B. That's E minor. Next chord is F. Now I'm gonna play this part. So that is 1st fret in E string and the bass together with open B. Then I hammer on to get the 1st B. I don't pick it with my picking hand, my right hand in this case. I just use my fretboard finger there, hand, and hit it on the 1st fret B string. And then I pick the last open G. So that's the F part. Over to G, it goes in the same way as E minor almost, just different notes. So that will be 3rd fret on E string this time together with open B. And then 1st B. And that's the G part, and then the final part, A minor, is reminiscent of the F. It goes like this. So that is open A together with open B. Then I hammer on the 1st B in the same way as I did with the F, and then I pick the last open G. And there you have the melody. So slowly it goes like this. Alright, so. I hit a clap there right after, it just fits great there, and you have a pause there anyway, so just hit a clap there and that marks out the different chords. So that's how I do the melody. Now let's take a look at the strumming. So we have the strumming divided into 2 different parts. So here we need to think pair of chords. E minor will pair up with F and then G with A minor. So we're gonna look at the first transition there from E minor to F. So it goes like this. That's how I would play this song with the strumming pattern on a guitar. So you're gonna start with E minor. The first part will be down, up, clap. Okay, and that's it. Then you shift to F and play down, short pause, and then down, down. And that's it. So together it will be slowly like this. Alright, a couple of rounds of E minor and F, but you're not going to play like that. You're going to continue with G and A minor, and you apply the same principle there as for the first 2 chords. So G will be played in the same way as E minor, down, up, clap, and then you go to A minor, play that in the same way as F, down, down, down. So E minor, F, G, and A minor goes like this. right? That was a little bit slowed down, and if you get up to somewhat standard tempo, it will be something like this. Yeah, and then you can also include some notes here and there or go back and forth. You have the notes here in the melody, you have the strumming or the rhythm with the claps and so on. Build it your own way there. There are no rules when it comes to do some freestyle playing, which I love actually. And yeah, it could sound something like this. Or something like that, or maybe better, I believe. If you give this a chance, learn the melody, learn the strumming pattern, you could absolutely play much better than I do. So that is pretty much how you handle Tems. Love Me JeJe. Give me some feedback on this one. Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, play tuned.